In this tutorial, you will learn about CSS max width property. So as we saw in the previous tutorial, a block level element always takes up the full width available. That is, it stretches out to the left and right as far as it can. Setting the width of a block level element will prevent it from stretching out to the edges of its container. Then you can set the margins to auto to horizontally center the element within its container. The element will take up the specified width and the remaining space will be split equally between the two margins. So I have written a simple code in order to show you the max width property and the use of max width property. So for the first division, I have simply used width property, and for the second division, I have used max width property in the CSS file over here. And then for both the divisions, I have set margin as auto and border as 3 pixels solid and in color green. So this is how it looks on the browser. Now the problem with the first division is that when the browser window is smaller than the width of the element, the browser adds a horizontal scroll bar to the page. So I will just resize the window so that you can see the difference between the two divisions. So for the first division, you require a scroll bar in order to see the complete element. The second division fits within the size of the window. So using max width property instead in this situation will improve the browser's handling of small windows. This is important when making a website usable on small devices. So that is the difference between the width and the max width property. So I hope you have understood the concept of max width property. Thank you.